This is our 2016 Volkswagen Polo GTI. This is the 5-door hatchback with the DSG gearbox in, of course, the best colour, black, and the best wheels and the best interior, the classic GTI Tartan seats. So this one's a really nicely spec'd example. The right colour scheme, around 42,000 miles, just about to get it serviced as well, so it'll come with a fresh service, and it's just been recently MOT'd, so it will want for nothing when you get it. Let's talk a little bit more about what this car's got. So first of all, you've got these superb two-tone wheels. Currently these have premium tyres on, and you've got the red brake caliper sticking out behind the wheel spokes, which look fantastic against the black. And these are in a size, I think these are the 17, if I'm not mistaken. I'll be able to tell you in a second when I get to the front. The bodywork's fantastic, gleaming gloss black. You've got the privacy glass at the back. You've got the power folding wing mirror option on this car, the red GTI badges there on the wing. And then again the same at the front, the two-tone wheels with the red brake calipers, and just to confirm, these are actually, yes, they're 17 inch rims, which look superb. You've got the LED headlamps with the LED daytime running lights, the fog lights at the bottom, GTI badge with the red strip. It's in really good order, the car, all the way around. Same owner since 2017. The car was a year old. Boot area, and everything underneath as it should be, with a space saver, locking wheel nut, tools, etc. So let's move round to the passenger side, or the passenger compartment, sorry. So you've got the classic GTI Tartan seats, red stitching on the headrests, got the 3 headrests there, GTI sill plates as you go in all the way around, and all the doors. Much the same on this side, of course. And then if we go into the front, you've got this lovely chrome strip on the material on the door card, and then you've got also chrome around the gloss black on the air vents, which looks great. Again, the GTI sill plates and the Tartan seats. These are the Tartan sport seats. This being the DSG one, it's got the DSG shifter there with the black leather and the red stitching. That's matched on the handbrake as well, so it looks stunning. So let's move round to the driver's side, the business end. So like I said, you've got the heated power folding wing mirror option on here. You see the electric windows, central locking. That lovely flat bottomed steering wheel with the GTI logo in chrome, or brushed chrome, and the red stitching looks fantastic. Going inside, so we've got the dials here, and obviously you can configure a lot of that with the buttons on here. So if you want to sort of flick through the menus, you can do so. Navigation, audio, telephone, you can control pretty much all of it through these buttons on the steering wheel here. You've also got the cruise control option here, which is this. So definitely a great option worth having. You've got the sport button there, so you can alter the driving style between sport and normal. parking sensors front and rear, and then this one's also got the, let me just reverse camera, let me just close the door. It's got the reverse camera option, which is really useful. You've got the lovely handbrake with the aluminium shifter there, the GTI on the gear stick, looks fantastic. You've got 12 volt sockets there, auxiliary and USB port, so that's all there. So auxiliary USB 12 volt socket, climate control, and then you've also got on this one the Apple CarPlay options, so you can connect your phone, whether it be Apple or indeed Android. And of course you've got the mirror link, so you can mirror your screen as well. It's a very cool feature to have, well worth having. And of course you've got navigation, traffic information, car, currently low fuel and waiting its service, app connect as we've just shown you, and then you've got all these others, obviously touchscreen, all these other options that you can select, radio, DAB of course, and then media. You've got all the different sources that you can use to play music, whether it be Bluetooth, auxiliary, USB, SD card, etc. Of course you've got your phone connect as well, and here obviously your lights, and that is pretty much it for the inside, folks. So getting back out of the car, if you are interested and you'd like to get a finance quote, or you've got a part exchange, or you'd like delivery, we do offer nationwide delivery to your door. Also warranty options. Just give me a call, drop me an email or a text. I'm more than happy to run through any quotes or queries you may have. The car, as I said, is in superb condition all the way through, and we'll make sure it's all serviced and ready for you, so it's in ready for you to drive away, and something that you'll enjoy every day with its fantastic 1.8 turbo charged engine. So anyway, hope you liked the video. Give me a call if I can be of any further assistance, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Good night.